So imagine you get this invitation for a grand opening, right, at this company, and this is the website that you need to go to RSVP. And you're not able to easily copy and paste this into your browser. So imagine you have to type this in. How many people do you think are really going to take the time to do that? They might say, oh, I don't have time for this now, I'll do it later. So here's an option that you can do instead. Instead of posting the long URL, you can create a QR code so that when they are opening this up on their desktop computer or laptop, they're able to scan the QR code with their phone and RSVP right then and there in a quick couple of taps to their phone. So how do you do that in Canva? Very simple. You go over to this little symbol, QR code, and all you need to do is enter the URL there. Generate QR code. There it is. So now you can make this small. It doesn't have to be that big. You can place this anywhere, make that bigger. And it's pretty self-explanatory. RSVP here, they'll scan it and boom, now you have a new person attending your open house, your grand opening. So I would encourage you to use this QR code feature in Canva when designing anything that maybe flyers that you're hanging, posting somewhere out there in the physical world, or even emailing the invite to people. It's just an easier way for people to respond to your RSVP requests.